Okay, everybody, so I have yard duty today. I got a little bit of mess out here. I'm gonna get it straightened out, and this is what happens when you let your front porch go in the winter. So it's not good. I got to get it done. It's not too hot today, and just gonna invite you to just sit back and watch me go to work. So let's do this. All right, got you covered. Just yard duty today. I'm gonna clear out this area here that goes from here, from this corner out, and then I'm going to get the rest done. Okay. So I'm gonna clean up here. This is pretty much done. Check it out. Let me get the bag out of the way. Let me show you. It didn't take long at all. I've only been out here for 40 minutes. Let me get this done. So I got all the weeds pulled all alongside. Opened up that box that I thought had other items in it, and it was all chemicals, like household supplies. So I'm going to have all that discarded down at the dump, save what I need that I think is good, and sweep this up and get this area ready to look nice and pretty. So want to thank you guys for joining me for yet another garden excursion or yard excursion, just trying to tighten things up. When you live in a small property, You really do need to stay on top of things. Winter months is difficult because we got the past 2 years, we've had a lot of rain here in Southern California, and it's just been really hard to come out and clean things up. But today's the day. It's a beautiful day, so we're going to get all this taken care of, and it's going to look nice. So I'll show you a final and after shot when all this is said and done. So I appreciate you guys for being here, and you guys have an incredible day. Have a blessed day. Take care.